Brad Williams, Excel Prime, relative rows. We've done this. This is going to be a review. We're going to relative row and relative column, sequential. Relative, sequential, one and the same. Number of different ways to do this for rows. We use rows, B5, absolute value, relative value. And how does it work? Well, B5 is going to stay as 1. Then what's going to happen here? B5 is going to move down. And what does rows do? It counts. Rows, I don't have the proper definition there. Row counts rows. Here, all we're doing is counting down. Relative. Relative to our lists. Here, we're taking row, which is 4. 5 minus 4. We hard-coded this because we need a 0 starting point. So we have 1, and then row minus 4. This is the simple way to do it. You can also use the row and then the index. If we need to go through this, we can go row. What row are we in? 5. Minus, well, this is going to turn out to be, our reference is going to be E5 to E14. I don't know why it's E5 to E14. Just go with it. And F9. And it's going to be column results, which is some crazy output. Row. And that's going to be E4 to E2. Now keep in mind here, when we're dealing with this row index, the array part, you can put that in any format you want. It was way over here, and I decided to put it over into A5 to A12. All we're asking is, based on this index, where are we planting our flag? Well, we're planting our flag right there. When row sees this, it's going, that's row 5. And this is exactly what it does. It says row, in index, it planted its flag right here. You could plant a flag in any of these cells here, and we're still going to get 5. If we go down, copy this down, we're going to get 5. It's a fixed number. It's the same thing as here. Row, well, we're at row 5 minus 4. We're doing the exact same thing. A little more complicated. So we have row 5 minus 5 plus 1. We have 5, we have 6. Row 6 minus 5, 1 plus 1. And you can just look at this and combine it. Columns. Can't we just sort of just put columns in front of F4? F4, notice, absolute. F4, you're getting this. If you want to do it your own way, you can go 1, hard code it, equals this, plus 1, equals plus 1. Just copy it over. Couldn't you do the exact same thing? I do it all the time. I'm guilty. Now, when that happens, hold down the control key, drag it over. There's relative rows. You just have to start with a fixed number. Columns, we just did the same thing over here with rows. We can do the same column minus 5. We're just going to do the exact same thing, and then you can do the same thing with index. Columns minus column index. What are we subtracting? We have a fixed number. Our range, F4, is going to be, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 6 plus 1. 7 minus 6 plus 1. Where am I coming up with that 6? Your index is going to have a fixed 6. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. F4 is going to be your 6. 1, 1. Here we planted our flag. Column 1, row 1, column 1. Based on this, well, actually, it's F4. Read it if you need it. I just included rows. Returns the number of rows in an array. Brad Williams. XL Prime.